Hello guys, this is Amna with Flavor Hour. So we are making today butter chicken. It's very creamy. It tastes so yummy. You can eat with naan, roti, or even with boiled rice. So let's see how we're gonna make it today. First, I am gonna take boneless chicken breast pieces, about 1 pound. I will add red crushed pepper, red chili powder, black pepper, garam masala, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix them all together. Our next step is take a pan, put half a stick of unsalted butter in it, and let the butter melt. After all your butter is melted, add your chicken in it. Pan sear it for at least 5 minutes till all the water is gone from the chicken and it's nice golden brown color. As you can see, the chicken is turning a little bit light golden. You don't want to cook it all the way. You want to leave it for the rest of the recipe. So I will take out all the chicken and the juice and all this mixture in a separate plate. In the same pan, take rest of the half of the butter stick. It's unsalted butter, remember. Let the butter melt, and after the butter is melted, add 1 medium chopped onion. We will brown the onions a little bit, and then we will add our 2 medium plum tomatoes. Then I will add coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, red pepper 1 teaspoon, salt according to taste. Pan sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then after, you want to make it a paste of it. You don't want to leave big chunk of tomatoes and onions. So I took this blender, a small mini blender, and I blended all the tomatoes and onions and ingredients in it. After I blended my mixture, I will put it back in the pan. And I will cook it for about 5 more minutes till all the water is gone from the tomatoes and it is very dry and it leaves the oil. After that, I will be adding my chicken in it with all that juice. Remember, that juice of the chicken will give a lot of good taste to your gravy. Mix them all together. Let them cook for about 3 more minutes till all the chicken is tender. Next step is I'll be using heavy cream, 1/4 of a cup. This is what gives taste to your butter chicken. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, it is all well done, mixed up together. It's ready to eat. It tastes so yummy, and you can eat it with naan, roti, even boiled rice. Please try it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.